Hi, in our video this time, we want to talk about water coating from Dr.Chemist. Water coating can be used to prolong the existing car coating. It is also water and dirt repellent and makes the surface to become shiny. It is suitable to be used on multiple surfaces such as car body and windows. Let's see how to use it. First step, open the bottle cap and replace with the spray head provided. Second step, wash surfaces until clean. Third step, spray water coating on the surfaces. Fourth step, use microfiber towel to even out the water coating on surface gently. Fifth step, leave to dry for a few minutes. And that's all you need to do. It's easy, right?